Very good afternoon, respected Chairman, respected Vice Chairperson, Apollo Hospitals, and the team of doctors, seniors, friends, and media. We welcome you to the press meet of a very rare case we have performed here in Apollo Proton, a multimodal management for bone meds, which has affected femur and primarily from kidney. Yeah. Here, 54 years old lady who came from Assam. 3 months back, she had a history of fall, sustained injury to her thigh bone. And afterwards, she's been evaluated and found there is a pathological fracture in the femur. And then they tried to come to Chennai to Apollo Proton, but because of this pandemic, they couldn't able to reach Apollo. For somehow, after 2 struggles, they reached Apollo Proton about 10 to 12 days back. When they came here, she was bedridden. She couldn't able to walk. She was on the bed. She almost lost the hope of living because so many doctors they met there, and they don't know in which path they are going into. And then once they landed here, we are a team of doctors here in Apollo Proton, evaluated her. We have done all the clinico-radiological evaluation that includes the X-ray, MRI, PET scan and biopsy, revealed that there is a RCC, that's a renal cell carcinoma. The PET scan also showed, if you see in the slide, the primary lesion sitting in the kidney, and which is throwing the tumor into the different parts of the body, especially in the distal femur, where she got a fracture. So, after evaluating with the PET CT, also MRI, we come to know that the tumor, secondarily, which is sitting in the femur, has completely destroyed the distal femur and also extend into the soft tissue. And there is a pathological fracture. So when it comes to this case to a particular consultant in particular department, when he treats alone, the outcome is different, where we sit with a multidisciplinary team like what we have done here in Apollo Proton, where an orthopedic surgeon will only think about the distal femur. He doesn't think more than that. Where the ortho-oncologist will give a complete roadmap of how to go about it. And urologist will tell what the primary tumor we are looking at, what we need to do for that. And medical oncologist comes to a big play to see what is the pre and post-op roadmap for this particular tumor. Plastic surgeon, after doing such a big surgery, removing a lot of tissue which is extra compartmental from the bone, closing and giving that particular structure to the limb is very important, where plastic surgeons does a really wonderful job for that. And after doing such a big surgery, both mega processes in the femur as well as nephrectomy partial, patient should walk the very next day. That should be the outcome. That's what we look into. And pain management comes into the very, very primary thing, where we require to have a very talented pain anesthesia department, which we have at Apollo Proton. And Anand has done a fantastic job for that. So the advantages of multimodal approach is, the main advantage is the hospital stay. It's a very reduced hospital stay. Hence there will be a lot reduced in the money what they pay for the hospital. The cost is very less and the outcomes are very great because everybody are involved in this. So the outcomes are very great. Now I call upon Dr. Vishnu, who will explain about the treatment for this particular distal femur, what we have done for this.